Hey guys, this is Jianfeng Zhang, and I'm going to do a presentation for homework 9. And okay, for the first question, we're gonna see that the WT is a Wiener process, and XT equals to the Wiener process of T plus 1 minus Wiener process of T. And we're gonna find what is the expectation and autocorrelation function. Okay, for the expectation function, we're gonna write like this equation that ext equals to wt plus 1 minus ewt. And because we know that the Wiener process, the expectation of the Wiener process is equals to 0, so these two are also equals to 0. So the expectation of xt is equals to 0. And the autocorrelation function is using the definition, we're gonna write autocorrelation R T1 and T2 equals to the multiply of E with xt1 and xt2. And we put xt1 T2 using this equation like this and multiply. And we're gonna have that the autocorrelation equals to this long equation. And we found that with these two is with in this long equation there are 4 groups, and each group is equals to our new autocorrelation of Wiener process. And we know that in the Wiener process that the autocorrelation equals to the minus value of T1 and T2 plus times with constant alpha. And in this constant, the alpha equals to the limit for s nearly to 0 and t nearly to 0 for s squared over t. So we're gonna write this long equation like this. So this is the final result, and the only thing we have to know is that the different whether T1 is greater than T2 plus 1 or something else. That is what we need to find the other time. Okay, and it's very easy for the first question. And for the second question, it is a Poisson process. And with this equation, as we all know that this is a Poisson process, and we're gonna define xt equals to 1 when n or k is odd, and it equals to -1 when n or k is even. So it is like a semi-random paragraph function like we learned in our classes. And in that classes, we have the xt when xt equals to 1, that is k is even and it is odd. It's just a reversal. So it's also an easy question that and the first problem, we need to draw a couple of examples. And first, we're gonna draw like this, because when x equals to 0, when t equals to 0, that is even, so it must be -1. And when t equals to 1, and that equals to 1, x equals